So here we are, gonna work a stretch of river here and see if we can't get lucky on something in here today. This is probably the 5th or 6th set of people through here today, judging by the amount of tracks that were just up there coming down here. So let's get in there and see if we can find something sitting. Wish me luck. There's fish. Nice and slow it hit. Keeping it pinned and stripping. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful rainbow right there. Big fish. What a beauty. What a beauty. Oh, off that hook. Barbless. Oh boy. 12, 6, 18. That fish is chunky. Big girl. Man, super pretty. Woo. Later, lady. Heck yeah. That's a nice fish right there. A little smaller fish right there next to me. There's another fish. Look at this one. What a beaut. Oh man. Very subtle hitting giants today. What a fish. What a beauty. This one's only got one eye. Took that fly. Man, that is a beautiful fish right there. One good eye on this side. One bad eye on the other side. What a beautiful fish though. Let's get a real quick nice slip out. Later, friend. Thanks for playing with your one eye. Oh yeah. Well, we're doing good today. Short amount of time being out. Got 2 solid fish, missed several small ones. But we're gonna attempt to try to find some more. So they've just been hitting very subtle and slow. Tipped out at 5X out there with a size 14 olive leech pattern, or a sculpin olive pattern colored leech with just a tiny little bead head on the 5 weight. Nakuma Lamson liquid, old model. Yeah, what a good day. Well, as soon as this fish hit, man, the battery died on the GoPro. It was perfect. Everything just fell to pieces all at once. But look at the size of this sucker. Oh, it's super feisty. Almost in the mouth, just right above it. Olive. Man, that thing is huge. We have 12 there and almost 8 there. Oh boy. You know what? Everybody hates these fish, so we're gonna hold it. Oh, that water's freezing cold. Come on, buddy. Look at that fish. What a beaut. Oh man. Later, friend. Yeah, that's a nice looking fish right there. Wouldn't mind a few more of those today for some good action. Hopefully the camera stays on next time. All right. Woo, what an ordeal. Well, thank you guys for watching this video involving this 5-weight rod again and throwing some buggers just to see what we can get to bite. And surprisingly, a few good fish today hit. I don't know how many small fish hit that I never even caught or landed. So it's been a good day for the few hours that I've been out here trying to stay warm in this cold, freezing environment. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and hopefully there's more action.